Today we are going shopping! Yes, everyone is ready. Let's go! Wow, this supermarket is so big.
Stay close to me, Allie.
Okay, Mom. Wow, look at these chocolates. Ali,
Stay with us.
just 1 minute. Mom? Dad? Oh. Where are you? Mom! Oh. Dad! I can't find you.
Hello, little boy. Are you okay?
I am lost.
Don't worry. We'll find your parents. Don't worry. I will help you.
Thank you.
Let's find your family.
Okay. Attention, please. A little boy named Ali is waiting at customer service. Mom. Ali! 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 Ali, we were so worried.
I'm sorry, Mom.
Never walk away from us. I understand. Always stay close to your family.
I will. Thank you for helping me.
You're welcome.
Now we're together. Yes, I'm happy.
Have a nice day.
Thank you.
Today I learned an important lesson. Always stay with your family. Did you enjoy this story?
Wow.
Like, share, and subscribe to Lumexa English.